Welcome to RSAOR's video series. Today's video is a quick tip on how an agent adds a listing to open house in MATRIX. To schedule an open house, first go to go.crmls.org. Log on to the MATRIX MLS system by clicking MLS Dashboard Login. Move your mouse and click where it says Add Edit. Now select the property. Move the mouse and click where it says Open House. Now input the required information for the open house. Input or select the date of the tour. Input the start and end times of the open house. Indicate if the open house will be attended by either the agent, the seller, or the open house is going to be unattended. It is recommended that agents always attend their open houses because not only is this a great opportunity to obtain clients, but it shows consumers that agents want to be connected to the community in selling a home quickly. Type if or what refreshments are being offered at the open house. You may also indicate if a drawing is being offered to visitors at the open house. Indicate the open house type. Is it a public or a broker open house? A virtual open house requires that a virtual meeting platform be used to conduct the open house. You can use products like Zoom, GoToMeeting, or even schedule a Facebook business event. Now type or paste in the virtual meeting URL. Now scroll down and click Submit Listing to finish scheduling the open house. Congratulations! You have now successfully scheduled the open house in MLS. Thank you for watching today's video on how to schedule an open house. For more information and videos, go to www.rsaor.com. Have a great day!